There's like a way to make that even longer or more endless,
I didn't use the sleep cycle app. 3 a.m.ish and got up around 7. Same time as Hero, but so according to last night, I guess my sleep quality would be around 40%.
Yeah. Old media, new media.
Exactly. We are getting breakfast.
Way up, alone, alfalfa, beyond hope and hope. Jonathan Livingston Seagull is practicing. 100 people are below.
I really like getting shots between barriers.
Seagulls in Manchester because there's no ocean.
you do get Well, here around 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, that's when like
You wouldn't share it.
so the seagull was like the mythic.
When the
100 feet on the
Lord
sky,
was
he
gone.
lowered his webbed feet, lifted his beak, and strained to hold a painful, hard, twisting curve through his wings. The curve meant that he would fly slowly, and now he slowed until the wind was a whisper in his face, until the ocean stood still beneath him. He narrowed his eyes in fierce concentration, held his breath, forced one
this map.
single more
That's favourite film.
inch of curve. Then his feathers ruffled. He stalled, and he fell. He stalled, and he fell.
I had to do a double take and check it out.
Yeah, I bet 90% of the people who come here don't realise what that is.
I was trying to find ones that I didn't recognise.
Yeah, fine.
Good morning. You're up, weren't you?
Still.
Yeah, you were still up.
Yeah, Chris was looking at it.
Was he?
He seemed really hungry.
Avicii.
You.
Shoot me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like,
Watching the edit. Mad feedback loop now.
Yeah.
I forgot the Cinema Travelers.
Yeah. And then we have another one.
Just doing a graffiti tour. Searching on YouTube, trying to find out how to unload this Polaroid camera.
Loading the film, I love that.
I really like this colour palette in this palace set. Really nice orange. Love this burgundy, that blue, brown. Some of last night's residue. And then come back round. This is art under occupation. So that's an image of the Gaza Strip smuggling tunnels. Involved with this artist.
so nightclub beforehand.
Yeah.
We opened by the Palestinian ambassador to the UK.
To be honest, if you saw the animation, I think that would have been better.
Movements.
No, so like he's like one of the observational cinema kind of guy.
Yeah. Today I'm a vlogger.
La paella y vengo si quieren alguna papa, ¿vale? Y voy a mandar la paella para 3 de momento. Sí.
Are you gonna produce like some kind of installation work or some video pieces or something?
Well, now that's something you'll be starting.
So don't really belong in this film. So I would say that it's like a good introduction to the film for people that don't know much about it. Because it's easy to understand. So I mean, for most of the audience, it's actually interesting to see this new film, two things something new that actually hearing about. But I don't want to tell you about it because you haven't seen it. But at some point of the film,
I want to drop it in.
the credits is loving right now. Yeah, there's food for an hour. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
I think you can.
Oh my god, like this guy is being hacked. Like, because it's not his phone, it's his brain. Like, you're storing the information in your brain. And if your phone can be hacked, then that means that your brain can be hacked as well. And they were like, you know, like freaking out as a field of experimentation to develop the synthetic bodies. So there is some kind of corruption. And the physics of the object that you're using correspond to the physics of the VR world that you're navigating. The sense of direction was very open. It was very fluid.
Creo que el restaurante es andaluz.
See that?
Why are you leaving on a Saturday, Chris?
Well, he wants to run the entire thing. But the thing is that they've broken up all those smaller units into one large one, haven't they?
Wild free, subtle coaches.
Preston, calling at Warrington Bank Quay.
Way off, alone, out by himself, beyond boat and shore, Jonathan Livingston Seagull was practicing. 100 feet in the sky, he lowered his webbed feet, lifted his beak, and strained to hold a painful, hard, twisting curve through his wings. The curve meant that he would fly slowly, and now he slowed until the wind was a whisper in his face, until the ocean stood still beneath him. He narrowed his eyes in fierce concentration, held his breath, forced one single more inch of curve. Then his feathers ruffled. He stalled, and he fell.
Right. So what do you know?
It's going to be a dynamic patch. Okay.
No. We don't have enough time. See it.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
So what I'll do, I'll fix those frames in cinema. What's going on with that volume? Right, and what's your noise level? Say again? Oh, well, I've got it down to 14.832. See, I've only got the Maxima station on duty at the moment. I'm using the laptop for comms and I'm just doing an edit as well. That's unnecessary for that shot, it's too short. If Matt just nukes it at 2.5, then I'll make just 4 to 6 turbulence planes, and then that's the bulk of the parallax view sorted. Alright, well, I need to focus on Sim 8. As the flows hit the third bar, it's going to get naughty when it hits the bottom right corner. So I want to, yeah. I'm going to spend time on those meshes. It's 10 to 4 in the morning. I've got a simulation on the go. I'm going to call that a do.